This is Astro Space Hero aboard the Jolly Roger. I'm receiving a message to take care of the evil Commodore Kruel. He's one of the evil minions of Bill Pines.
Astro Space Hero, you need to take care of Commodore Kruel. He's evil and must be stopped.
He based his evil visage upon the Yule monster that I fought many years ago in another universe. But not to worry, Astro Space Hero will take care of Commodore Kruel.
Meanwhile, in the other part of the galaxy, Commodore Kruel's ship was spotted.
Greetings, Commodore Kruel. Your time of evil will be stopped here and now.
Astro Space Hero, I shall destroy you!
We'll see about that. This keeps evil from coming into the galaxy. Astro Space Hero, the Jolly Roger, and Jolly Roger's spacecraft lasers. I'm locking weapons, and I'm firing.
I'll get you next time, Astro Space Hero. Mark my words. Commodore Kruel will return.
Gotcha, Commodore Kruel. And whenever you and the evil minions of Bill Pines try to come into the galaxy, you will be stopped by Astro Space Hero.
What happens next? Tune in next time.